Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. DIY Guide, Finding and Fixing a Hidden Toilet Leak, with Code Considerations. Hidden toilet leaks are the silent assassins of your water bill and potential harbingers of structural damage. They can fester unseen, leading to mold growth, rotting floors, and expensive repairs. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of finding and fixing common hidden toilet leaks, with an emphasis on DIY solutions. We'll also touch upon relevant plumbing codes to ensure your work is up to standard. Understanding the anatomy of a toilet and common leak locations *. Before you grab your tools, let's familiarize ourselves with the key components of a toilet and where leaks often originate. Tank *, the upper reservoir that holds water for flushing. Common leak points include flapper *, the rubber or plastic stopper at the bottom of the tank that seals the flush valve. Flush valve *, the mechanism that controls the release of water when you flush. Often the housing for the flapper. Fill valve *, the mechanism that refills the tank after a flush, usually with a float arm or a float cup. Tank to bowl bolts *, the bolts that secure the tank to the bowl. The rubber washers here can degrade over time. Supply line *, the flexible